Hi, it's Marlene with Dixie Quilters. How are you doing this afternoon? This is Sunday afternoon. It's a very restful day, and I'm moving upstairs to a larger room for my sewing studio. A sewing studio. It's 2 tables and a bunch of dividers, but I did hang up my quilts. And today I'm working on Baby It's Cold Outside. Let me show you the pattern. Remember we talked about it in one of our previous ones? It's Baby It's Cold Outside, and the pattern's by Rhett Clark and Vicki Stitham for Creative Notions. Remember, Lynn and Mr. Fix-It were working with Creative Notions, and this is one of the projects that they had for sale on a live sale. I think it was a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. So let me tell you about it. It is a 30 by 44 inch wall hanging, I think. I'm going to make it into a wall hanging. And it has lots of embellishments on it. And they've included black buttons for the facial features, a piece of orange for the nose, and they've given us the yo-yo maker to make yo-yos for the buttons going down the front and for the tassel on the end of his hat. Cute, huh? Well, so far, I have been working on it since, well, off and on, since about 6 this morning. And I've got it all cut out and part of it put together. And you make it row by row. And baby, you better keep a control on which row you're on when you're putting these pieces together, because I've had to actually find my seam ripper and use it a number of times. But it is coming together, and I think it's going to be darn cute. I want to work on it some more today. And you can see I got some of my quilts up in the windows up here. And, oh, there's I just love that. It's this table topper. It's from Anka's Treasures. I should know the name of the lady too, but it's gorgeous. And I know that her patterns are out quite a bit. And who else likes them? Oh, Leanne with the Pastry Queen quilt channel. So Leanne with Pastry Queen loves the designer of these also. I think it's Anka's Treasures. I better look at that up and make sure I'm right on that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is how we're looking at the rows. You can see that, I'll show you here in a second. You can see that I've got all of the pieces are cut out. They're labeled. They're identified. I have a few extras that just didn't quite fit. So I'm glad there's some extra fabric because I might need to fix a few. And then you go through the pattern and follow it piece by piece, and making sure that your corners are going the correct direction. That's what caught me by surprise a couple of times. And then I've got some more of the Christmas Advent box to open too, but we'll make that the next one after this, okay? So we have packages number 20 through 25 yet to do on the Soft Squares Advent box number B by Lynn Co. and Mr. Fix-It with Soft Squares. I'm beginning to catch on how to say this, huh? Well, I'll see you next time, and we will show you the rest of the progress on this, finish up the Advent box, and I'll show you what I have almost completed, ready for, well, I think it's ready for long arming, but I don't have time to get it done for Christmas, so I'm going to do it by my own machine. So, hope you all are working on your projects too. We've only got a couple of weeks to go. All right, bye.